Hey, grade 10 learners, this is your isometric drawing. I'm gonna read the instructions for you. As you can also see, it says isometric drawing given the front and the top view of a paperweight in third angle orthographic projection. Point A as the starting point. Instructions. Draw an isometric view of the paperweight so that the front, top, and side views will be visible. Show all necessary construction. No hidden detail is required. So I have to combine the top and the front view. At the same time, I'm gonna get the side view. I'm gonna show all the necessary constructions. There is no hidden detail that is required from me. Okay. Most important thing here in the drawing first, you have to make sure that your paper page it is straight so that you don't move it. You see, I use my T-square to make sure that my paper page it is correct. Like you can see here, my T-square is going on top of that line at the bottom there. To make sure that my drawing is accurate. Then in that way, I can never get this drawing wrong. There is no way I can get this drawing wrong. I'm trying to fix up my camera so that I can see everything, yeah? Okay. This is the criteria that can be used to mark your drawing. If ever a drawing doesn't have some arrows and stuff and it is neat, then that means you're gonna get the outstanding, which is 30%, which is out of 7. Then we're gonna combine that with the description here, which is your drawing is very good. Then also that means gonna be that 7 plus this 3 here gives you a total of 10. Okay. This is the mark we use to record for your course drawings. And remember, this is a course drawing. It is important for you that you do this drawing, and it's a must for you to complete this drawing. Okay. Then I want to gather my equipment together so like everything is here with me. Okay. I have the top view, I have my front view here. Or I can see with my side view. You can say this is my side view. So what am I going to do first here? They say that point A is my starting point. Point A. So I can see a point A here. By the top view, I have point A here. By my front view, also, then I have point A here. Where can I start my drawing at? So I'm gonna make a dot here. Then on that dot I have here, I'm gonna use my angle on this side to go to my right hand side, again to my left hand side. Then I draw a straight line up. Construction one. Construction. Everything is been done in construction, yeah? Then I need to find the length from my front view here. It's going to be this 20 I have here. 20 plus the 80 I can see here. 80 plus another 20 that I can see on that side, which is going to give me a total of 120 millimeters. So I can measure here my 120 millimeters, which is going to be here. Then my 120 is here. Then looking from the top view, the top view, from this side, this point to go to this side here, how long can that be? So looking from this measurement that's given here, this one is on top. From here to is 40, meaning that's not the whole length of this part from this point to that point there. So in order to get the measurement from here to this point here, that is there, that is 70. From this point beginning here to the end of the side, which is 70 millimeters. So I'm going to measure my first 70 millimeters here. My 70 millimeters here. Okay, then again, on these points I have here, I'm going to do some construction lines going up. Okay, I lost the 70 here. I lost it. Okay, this one here. Because I was seeing two dots. Construction lines. Again on the side. Construction line goes up as a straight line. Then, now, from to do the base first, I can see from this point here to go up here, that is going to be 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters. That is here, 20 millimeters. So I can go up by 20 millimeters. By 20 millimeters. My 20 is here. Again on the side, my 20 is here. Again here. My 20 is here. So what I can do on that 20, I use my set square, that 30 degrees angle, just construction line to join that side. Again, from this side, just a construction line. Then I can join this and that line here in a construction also. Construction line, that means a fake line. A line that need to be dark. The lines don't need to be dark here. Oh, learners are going around now. There be some noise happening. Don't worry about what I'm erasing here. I want you to see what I have so far. That is the base. That is the base. Let me show you how this drawing is going to look like when it is done. This is the drawing here. I did this one earlier on. So your drawing will come out in a way like this. You see? This is the memo here. This is the memo I draw up here. So your drawing is gonna come in this way. Okay. Going forward with this drawing here, what we need to do now, we need to find. Okay, let's do the base again. We start from this point, that point is 20. From this point here, it says 20. Now, let me find these 20s. That is my 20 here. My 20 is here. Again on this side, from that 120, from my 120, that is going to be 100. Yeah. From here, backwards, that is my 20. Then I can draw a straight line up by that 20, by that 20. Everything is in construction. Then it says here, from here to here, that is 10. From here to here is 10. And remember, we have this part here, meaning now from here to here, that is 60. So what I can do, from this point to that point, that is 70. I need to find the center of this. Now, meaning I'm going to divide 70 by 2, which is going to be 35. I need to find, where's my 35 here? 35. Where is 35 here? 70 is here. 35 is here. That is 35 there. Then I'm going to draw a straight line now on that 35. Now I'm drawing up my center from the from the left side view. Then it says here, from here to here, that is 60. Divide 60 by 2. It's going to give you 30. It means from the center, go this side by 30, go this side by 30. I hope I'm making sense to you. I just hope I'm making sense. From the center here, which is 30, to my left hand side, that is 30. From this side to my forward side, which is going to be 60 here. Then again, I'm gonna draw lines here. I'm gonna draw lines here. Go down. Go down. Remember, everything is in construction here. Everything is in construction. I'm not sure if I must switch off this LED light here. Then remember, we set from this point to up here, that is 20. Then from here to here, it's 10. Now let's start from the top. From here on this 60 we have, from here to go down by 10. From here, go down here, which is 10. Again, this side, which is going to be from the top view, go down here by 10. Then what I can do on this 10 I have, I'm going to join them together. I'm going to join them together. Everything is still in construction. And then it says now, yeah. Okay, before I move forward, on this from here to here is theta, right? So this theta here, let me draw a straight line to the side, because whatever I have on this side, I also must have it on the other side. Again, let me take the top one, that one there. Everything is in construction. Everything is in construction. Then remember also that point there. Should I take it in this way? Okay, let me drop this line here. Remember, we can't see exactly what is happening here, but I'm willing to drop this line here. Should I drop it? Okay, let me not drop it yet. Now let's work on this side, on this front view. We have this gap here, this space here. So it means now from here to up here, it's going to be 10. From here to up, it's going to be 10. So again, on this side here, on this front view, I need to go up by 10, which is here. I can also do it on the side, because from here to go down there, that is 20 millimeters, then my 10 is here. This is what I have here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the small dark. Okay, before I can do the dark lines, again, from the top view, looking from the top view, it says this piece here, from here to this point here, that is 15 millimeters. That means from here, let's go this side by 15 millimeters. On that line, which is from the center here to come this side, is 30. From the other side, that is 30. We're going to use this line here, not the first one, but this one, which is 30 here. This is from here to go this side, which is going to be 15. Again, that side is going to be 15. Then I can join that 15 together. Remember, everything here, it is in construction so far, up until we are sure with it, then we make a dark line. Don't ever rush to make dark lines in a drawing. Just first do in construction, then you can move to dark lines. Okay, again, this line here, remember from here to here, it was 10. Then let's take this line to join that side. Is it? Then what I can do, this point here, let me drop that point to join with this line here. And join them together. Okay, it means now I can also take this to this side here. Okay, now I'm gonna do the dark lines for you. I'm gonna do dark lines for you. I'm going to use this. Let me remove the T-square. I want the dark lines of what I'm supposed to see here. Let me start with this one, the bottom line here. That must take me about a few minutes to do it. Now I'm making the dark lines. This pencil needs to be erased. Okay, problem with this pencil now. Let me try to zoom it in so you can see exactly what am I doing here. Okay, this one here. Then I close this from here to this point here. I stop it here. Again, that one from here to there, I stop there. Then I close it in this way. From here to there, we say that is 10. Then again this one here. On that 10 we have. Then we join these together. Okay. Then also we do this with the top one here. On that 15. Then we do also the bottom one. Then I can do this line here, and the dark line here. I can also do the bottom one here. Then also on this side, from here to there is 15. Okay, this is what I see so far. Then let me do the front view. That is my front view. Remember, from here to here is 20, from here there is 20. Yeah. Then the top line here. Then from here to go up there, we know that is 10. From here to go up there, that is 10. Okay, that is what I see. I'm not going to do that line here yet as a dark line because I still need to draw what I see here in front, is this top part here, which is this part here. So I can show you also from here. I need to hide this. This one. The same thing what we have here. This part here. This part is also the same as this one. Yeah? Now I have to do that back line. Let me check my time. Okay. I will do that later on because I don't have time yet. Then the line that I don't see, the part that I don't have to see here. So I don't want to do it now. I want to do it once I'm done also with the part that is here in the middle of this isometric. Then now let me stop here with the base. Then I'm gonna continue again.